Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking milestones in transportation history: the arrival of real, commercially available flying cars. What was once the dream of science fiction is finally becoming a reality, with the first approved flying vehicles preparing for launch as early as 2026. Imagine skipping traffic jams, soaring above cities, and reaching your destination in minutes instead of hours. This isn't just about innovation. It's about reshaping how humans move, connect, and live. Stay tuned as we explore how these futuristic vehicles will redefine travel forever. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on future technology. Number 5. The birth of flying cars. For decades, the idea of flying cars was confined to science fiction movies and futuristic concept art. But now, that vision is transforming into reality. The first certified flying cars, such as Alef Aeronautics Model A and PALV Liberty, have already received clearance for road and air testing. These vehicles are designed to operate both as conventional cars on the ground and as lightweight aircraft in the sky. What makes them remarkable is the fusion of automotive and aerospace engineering. Blending electric propulsion, vertical takeoff systems, and advanced navigation technologies. Unlike airplanes that require long runways, these vehicles use vertical or short takeoff capabilities, allowing them to lift off directly from roads, driveways, or designated pads. This shift marks a revolutionary step in human mobility, moving from two-dimensional road travel to three-dimensional freedom. The flying car industry has evolved rapidly due to breakthroughs in battery efficiency, lightweight materials, and autonomous flight systems. As major players like Hyundai, XPENG, and Joby Aviation join the race, the dream of flying through the sky in your personal car is no longer far-fetched. It's happening, and it's happening soon. Number 4. How they work. At the heart of these vehicles is a combination of electric and hybrid propulsion systems designed for vertical takeoff and landing, known as VTOL. Unlike helicopters that rely on large rotors, most flying cars use multiple smaller propellers for lift and thrust, controlled by onboard computers for stability and precision. Once airborne, the vehicle transitions smoothly into forward flight, similar to how drones operate. When landing, it reverts to its car mode, folding its wings or rotors compactly to drive on normal roads. Advanced sensors, AI navigation, and GPS integration ensure safe and automated flying routes. Some models even feature autonomous flight capabilities, allowing passengers to simply set a destination while the vehicle handles the rest. Electric motors make them quieter and more sustainable than traditional aircraft, reducing noise pollution and emissions. Energy storage is another major innovation, with battery technology capable of providing up to 200 miles of combined flight and drive range. The design also includes backup safety features, such as parachute systems, redundant controls, and emergency glide functions. Flying cars are essentially a new category of hybrid vehicles, part drone, part electric car, engineered to make short-distance air travel accessible and efficient for everyday users. Number 3. Who's leading the race? A global competition is underway among companies racing to dominate the flying car market. Alef Aeronautics, based in California, recently gained FAA approval for test flights and plans to launch its model by 2026, priced around $300,000. This sleek, all-electric vehicle can drive on public roads and take off vertically to soar up to 110 miles per flight. Meanwhile, PALV, a Dutch company, is introducing the Liberty, a gyrocopter-style flying car that already meets European road and air regulations. Another strong contender is XPENG Aero from China, which unveiled a prototype that can transition between road and air modes seamlessly using retractable rotors. Hyundai Supernal and Joby Aviation are also investing heavily in urban air mobility, focusing on shared flying taxis that could complement personal flying cars. Even giants like Toyota and Airbus are entering the space, signaling that this is no longer experimental but a serious emerging industry. Governments and aviation authorities are now building frameworks to regulate these vehicles, including air corridors, certification standards, and pilot licensing. With massive funding and innovation pouring in, the race to commercialize flying cars is intensifying, and by 2026, the skies may finally become highways. Number 2. The challenges ahead. Despite the excitement, the path to widespread flying car adoption is filled with challenges. The first is regulatory approval. creating new traffic laws and air safety protocols for thousands of small aircraft sharing low-altitude airspace. Governments are working with aerospace organizations to define safe flight corridors, automated air traffic control systems, and landing zones. Then comes infrastructure. Cities will need specialized vertiports, where vehicles can take off, land, and recharge. Battery capacity and flight duration are also ongoing concerns. While current prototypes can travel impressive distances, scaling this for mass adoption will require lighter, denser, and faster charging batteries. Noise management, privacy issues, and cost barriers also need addressing before flying cars become mainstream. Initially, these vehicles will be accessible only to high-end consumers or companies offering air mobility services. However, just like electric cars, mass production and competition will gradually lower prices. Safety remains the top priority. AI-based collision avoidance systems, automated flight control, and real-time monitoring networks are being developed to ensure passenger protection. The technology is ready, but the world must now adapt its rules, cities, and culture to welcome this new form of travel. Number 1. The future of urban mobility. Flying cars represent more than just innovation. They symbolize freedom and efficiency in the modern age. Imagine commuting across a busy city in just 10 minutes instead of being stuck for hours in traffic. Urban air mobility networks could transform transportation as we know it, reducing congestion and cutting emissions dramatically. In the near future, flying cars will work alongside self-driving taxis, drones, and smart infrastructure to create interconnected transport ecosystems. Cities like Dubai, Singapore, and Los Angeles are already planning pilot programs to integrate air routes for personal and shared flying vehicles. The economic impact will also be massive, creating new industries around air mobility services, maintenance, design, and infrastructure. Beyond cities, rural and island communities could gain faster access to healthcare, goods, and emergency services. Over the next decade, as battery efficiency improves and the iFlight systems mature, the experience of flying your own car could become as normal as driving today. The dream of personal flight has inspired generations, and with the 2026 commercial launch, it's about to take off for real. Thanks for watching till the end. The future of transportation is lifting off, quite literally, as flying cars prepare to enter our skies. What once felt like science fiction is now becoming our new reality. If you enjoyed this look into the next era of mobility, make sure to share it and subscribe for more exciting insights into the world of future technology.